and welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use the Dollar Street matrix created by Gapminder. If you'd like to pause this video now to get the activity sheet, feel free. If not, let's move forward and I can introduce you to this amazing resource. To access the matrix, go to gapminder.org/dollarstreet/matrix. You will come up to a screen that looks like this. If this is your first time visiting, you will automatically be prompted for a tutorial. If you click Maybe Later, but realize you want the tutorial, you can easily access it by going to the right corner and clicking Quick Guide. As you can see, you can also choose your preferred language. While navigating Dollar Street, you will quickly realize there's a lot of information you can absorb from this resource by choosing different options on the website. But for this activity, all you need to do is use the slider to narrow down your results based on different income levels. You can do this by clicking and dragging the slider on the right and left. For example, people living on income level 3 are living on $250 to $920 per month. So, to look at the pictures from families at this level, you would click and drag the left slider to $250 and the right slider to $920. Now that you have narrowed your search for the activity, you can explore and visit the homes of families all over the world. To get a sneak peek in more detail, click on a family and a page pops up that gives you a summary about their lifestyle on the right side. Just below that, you will see a button that says Visit this home. Click that button to gather even more information and see more pictures. To return to the large list of families that you narrowed down originally, go to the top left corner of the page and click Families of the World. This will bring you back to where you started, and you can continue to explore what life is really like on different levels of income. If you are doing the activity sheet that goes along with this video, you are encouraged to summarize similar characteristics and patterns that you see of people living at different levels of income. There is much more you can learn from this tool, but that's all for this video. Enjoy increasing your knowledge about how people really live around the world.